Hi, this is Zach Muir from Zach's Traders Cafe with a look at some bulletin board hero stocks on Wednesday, the 22nd of June. Starting off with Finhouse Mining, where it looks as though the shares have got gained some traction around the 50-day moving average, currently at 4.72 pence. Bear trap rebound back above that. Basically above the 4 pence zone, which is the former April resistance. We're looking for a target here over the next month or so as high as 7 pence, which is the top of a rising December trend channel. On to Greatland Gold, and another solid looking daily chart here, bouncing off the 50-day moving average. That's around the 0.27 pence level, and really while we're above 0.25, which is recent post-May intraday support, looking for a target as high as 0.5 pence. If you're cautious on the shares, maybe you'd wait for an end of day or a close back above the 20-day moving average, currently at 0.297 pence. Moving along to a stock which has taken quite a long time to just get underway. That's Kimberly Enterprises. A lot of consolidation here over June, and in a rather spiky zone between the 50-day moving average of 0.78 pence and 1.5 pence. The big breakthrough yesterday, the end of day close above 1.5 pence, which is also the mid-June or early June resistance. And while we hold above that, the big target here is high as 3.5 pence, which is the top of a rising November trend channel. If you're really cautious about the stock, you wait for a clearance of 2 pence, which is recent intraday resistance. On to a stock which is getting underway very nicely indeed. Spotted it before it broke that resistance line there from January around the 2 pence level. We're already up to 3.37 pence, while we're above the 50-day moving average, looking for a retest of 5 pence, which is the initial January resistance. On to another stock which is a big private investor favorite, Metal Tiger. Just seeing how far the shares will come back from that 6 pence plus April peak. Looks as though it's going to do that around the 3 pence area, maybe down to 2.5 pence, but 3 pence area. 3 pence the resistance on the way up. So it looks as though the shares have seen this uptrend line from the end of February, just around the 2.85 pence level. And hopefully with a decent weekly close back above the initial June support, 3.1 pence, we should see a journey which eventually takes the stock back up to 7 pence, the top of this 2016 price channel on a 2 to 3 months time frame. If you are cautious on the shares, maybe wait for the 20-day moving average to be cleared at 3.49 pence before pressing the buy button. Enkindasi Energy is next, and here we've got decent consolidation here with the bounce off the 200-day moving average at 3.45 pence, while we're above that and the floor of a rising December trend channel. The big target here is back to 7 pence over the next 2 to 3 months. Only cautious traders would wait for a clearance of the 50-day moving average at 4.59 pence before pressing the buy button. Red Rock Resources next, and here you can see that there's been a bit of a dance around the 200-day moving average level. That's around the 0.45 pence number. The overall message here, though, is that we're in a rising trend channel from December and well above 0.4 pence. The target here over the rest of the summer could be as high as 0.8 pence. If you are cautious, you wait for a clearance of the 50-day moving average at 0.56 pence as a momentum buy trigger before going long. Finishing off with Vast, and just a reminder here that we're trying to break this falling wedge bullish formation from February. Looks like we're doing that at the moment above 0.25 pence, and the target here over the next couple of weeks, if we can hold above 0.25, is up to 0.4 pence, which would start the rehabilitation here on a technical basis. Stop loss back below 0.2 pence. That's it for me. More updates at the same time tomorrow.